Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to explain the previous year questions of JEE mains focusing on the chapter straight lines. The first question is straight lines L1 and L2 pass through the origin. So let's try to draw L1 and L2 passes through the origin. Take x-axis and y-axis. So this is the origin 0, 0. So what they said, the straight lines L1 and L2 passes through the origin. This is L1, this is L2. And also they said, and trisect the line segment of the line. One line is trisecting. That means if you draw a line, this is the line. This 9x plus 5y, that is equal to 45. So name the points. This is A, B, and this is P, and this is Q. Trisect means dividing the line segment in the ratio either 1:2 or 2:1 internally. So if you take BQ ratio QA, so that means the trisection divides, this is 1 and this is 2. So that is 1:2 ratio. Similarly, if you take BP ratio PA, the trisect divides 2:1 ratio. If M1, M2 are the slopes of the lines L1 and L2, then the point of intersection of the line y equal to M1 plus M2 times x with L lies on y equal to M1 plus M2 x. So to solve this, you need to find M1 and M2. So this trisect line I am drawing here. So this is A, this is B, and after A is P. So that's why here is P and here is Q. First you have to find M1 and M2. Before that you have to find A and B and P and Q points also. So now you need to find A point, B point, P and Q. This A is in x-axis. To find the x-intercept, plug in y equal to 0. You have a line. Take that line. 9x plus 5y equal to 45. So you want to find the x-intercept, plug y equal to 0. So that means 9x, 5 times 0 is 0. So that is equal to 45. So x value is 45 by 9. That is equal to 5. X value is 5, y value is 0. So our A point 5, 0. Similarly, try to find the B. B is in y-axis. To find the y-intercept, to plug x equal to 0. The equation 9x plus 5y, that is equal to 45. So 9 times 0 is, this is 0, plus 5y equal to 45. So then y is equal to 45, 5, that is equal to 9. So x is 0, y is 9. So our B point is 0, 9. B point is 5, 0. B point is 0, 9. Now you have to find P and Q. They are saying it is a trisect. BP ratio PA is equal to 2:1. Now you have a ratio M is to N. And you have points. What is the formula to find the point of intersection? Mx2 plus Nx1 by M plus N. My2 plus Ny1 by M plus N. Here M value is 2, N value is 1. X1, this is Y1, this is X2 and this is Y2. What is M value? 2. 2 times X2 is 0 plus N is 1 times X1 is 5 by M plus N. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So M is 2 times Y2 is 9 plus N is 1 times Y1 is 0. So M plus N is 3. So the point P is 2 times 0 is 0. So 5 by 3. 2 times 9 is 18 plus 0 by 3. 18 by 3 is 6. Similarly, find the Q. So BQ QA. The ratio is 1:2. So now the M value is 1, N value is 2. Our points are same, 5, 0, 0, 9. So using the same formula, find the Q. So M is 1 times x2 is 0 plus N is 2, x1 is 5. That is here 10 by 3, comma, M is 1 times y2 is 9 plus N is 2, y1 is 0, 0 by 3. So now Q point is, this is 10 by 3, this is 9 plus 0, 9 by 3 is 3. You need to find M1 plus M2. So this here is M1 and here is M2. If you know the points, this point and this point, then you can easily find out the slopes. So that's why first we found the P and Q and A and B points. So using these points, now you find the M1 and M2. To find the slope, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. You have to find the M1 first. So this is M1 and you have a point origin 0, 0 and P point. Using these two, now find the M1. Origin is 0 and the point, this is 5 by 3, 6. So this is our x1, y1. This is our x2, y2. So y2 is 6 minus 0 by 5 by 3 minus 0. So that is equal to 6 by 5 by 3. So that is equal to 18 by 5. The slope M1 is 18 by 5. Same like that, find the M2. 0, 0 and Q point. You have 2 points. Now you find the M2. The formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Nine by 10. So M2 is 9 by 10, M1 is 18 by 5. The question they are saying the line y equal to M1 plus M2 times x with L lies on. So substitute M1 and M2 values here. So M1 is 18 by 5, M2 is 9 by 10 into x. So take 10 as LCM. So this is 18 times 2 is 36 plus 9 times x. So that is 45 by 10. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 2. So 9 by 2x, that is equal to y. So now you got the another equation. So this is 9x minus 2y, that is equal to 0. This is the second equation. And our first equation is 9x plus 5y, that is equal to 45. So using these two equations, find the x and y values. Then in the options where it satisfies, you check it. That's it. So using the first, what is the first equation? 9x plus 5y, that is equal to 45. This is the first equation. Now I am taking the second equation, 9x, that is equal to 0. Subtract. So this is 7y, that is equal to 45. So y value is 45 by 7. This y value substitute in the equation 2. That is 9x minus 2y equal to 0. 9x equal to 2 times 45 by 7. If you want x, that is equal to 2 times 45 by 7 times 9. After cancelling, you get 9 times 5 is 45, that is 10 by 7. So this is your x value and this is your y value. Check the options. So check the option C. Option C is y minus x, that is equal to, if you do y minus x, y is 45 by 7 minus 10 by 7. So that is equal to 45, take away 10 is 35 by 7, that is equal to 5. So y minus x equal to 5. It satisfies the option C. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel.